Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to creating a dynamic account title in Power BI. A dynamic title in Power BI is a text element usually used as a chart title, card, or visual title that automatically updates based on user interactions. For example, when you select one or more accounts, the title will update to show exactly which accounts are selected. Open Power BI Desktop Report to add dynamic title. Click New Measure. This is where we'll write our DAX formula to create the dynamic title. We'll build a formula called Dynamic Account Title. First, we create a variable named Selected Accounts using the values function. Selected accounts equals values, table name, account name. The values function returns a one-column table containing all unique account names currently selected in the slicer. If no slicer selection is made, values returns all distinct account names in the column. This variable gives us the list of accounts that the user is currently focusing on. Next, we create another variable named account count to determine how many accounts are currently. Account count equals count-rows, selected accounts. The count-rows function counts the number of rows, or accounts, in the selected accounts variable. Then, we use the concatenatex function to join all selected accounts into a single text string separated by commas. We also sort them alphabetically to keep the list consistent. Account list equals concatenatex. Selected accounts. Table name, account name. Comma. Table name, account name. ASC. Concatenatex takes a table, in this case, selected accounts, and combines all values from a specific column, account name, into one string. Comma adds a comma and space between each name. The ASC parameter sorts the names in ascending, alphabetical, order. For example, if selected accounts equals A, B, C, then account list equals A, B, C. Switch, true. The switch, true, structure lets you check several logical conditions one after another. Not is filtered, or is blank. The first condition, not is filtered or is blank, means that if no account filter is applied, Power BI will display the text report for all accounts. Short pay pricing mismatch dashboard account report for all accounts. Account count equals 1. Show report for the selected account list. Account count equals 2. Account report for and substitute, account list, comma and. Account report for and account list. Condition 1. Not is filtered, is blank, min. If there's no slicer selection or the field is blank, it shows. Account report for all accounts. Condition 2. If only one account is selected, account count equals 1, it shows. Account report for that account. Example, account report for ABC Corp. Condition 3. If exactly 2 accounts are selected, it uses substitute to replace the comma with and, creating a more natural sentence. Example, account report for ABC Corp and XYZ Ltd. Default case. If more than 2 accounts are selected, it lists them all separated by commas. Example, account report for ABC Corp, XYZ Ltd, Global Ltd. Once you've created the dynamic account title measure, follow these steps to show it dynamically on your report page. Add a card visual. Go to the Visualizations pane. Select the card visual. Drag and drop your dynamic account title measure into the Values field of the card. This will show the title text, like Account Report for All Accounts, inside the card visual. Now let's make the title look professional and visually appealing. Select the card visual. Open the Format Visual pane, paint roller icon on the right. Under Visual Settings. Font size, increase or decrease to make it stand out. Under Category Label, turn it off. This hides the dynamic account title label so only the title text is displayed. Under General Effects. Change background color to match your report theme. Adjust transparency if needed, 0% equals solid, 100% equals no background. Under General Position. Move and resize the card to the top area of your report page so it acts like a page title. Now, interact with your slicer or drop-down that filters accounts. When you select one or more accounts, the card text automatically updates. E.g. Account Report for ABC Corp or Account Report for XYZ Ltd, Global Ltd. When you don't select anything, it shows. Account Report for all accounts. This confirms your title is now fully dynamic and responds to user input. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with more Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.